Hey, how's it going? Today I have a really special gun out here. A Winchester 1895, made in 1912. It's chambered in 3040 Krag. Now this is the 7.62 by 54R, 148 grain. There's 188 grain. Here's a 30-06 in 180 grain. Now, it was chambered early on in the, what was it, 3872 and the 4072, and it was chambered in multiple cartridges: the 303 British, the 30-03, 30-06. Bunch of them were chambered in this Russian cartridge. So I've never shot it, so we're gonna shoot it. This is a Takedown model, so that's how you push this little button up and turn it, and it comes right out. So that's really cool. Goes back just like that. Pull the little switch down, and there she is. You can see the barrel markings, 30 US. 30 US is also known as 30 Army and a 3040 Krag, which is what we have here. An old box, 180 grain Remington high speed 3040 Krag. This box, where is it? Right there. You know it's old. Marked for $6.30. Yeah, you can't get that anymore. That was the only box I could find online too. Actually, I found one after I ordered it. About the same price. You know, it was $100 plus shipping and handling, and but anyways, here's a 3855. So you can see it kind of fits in there. 3872 would be, you know, obviously longer. It was chambered in 35 Winchester. This is a 35 Remington. It was for the I think it was Marlin 1908 semi-automatic rifle. But I imagine it's probably similar to the 35 Winchester. I don't know. You can probably tell me in the comments. 3030, how it fits in there. Then we have a 5.56 NATO. That's actually a tracer round, compared to everything. So you got the NATO, the 5.56, 3030. That's probably 170. Yeah, that's 170 grain. 180 grain 3040 Krag. We've got a 200 grain 35 Remington, then the 148 7.62 by 54R, and this is the 38 by 55 3855, which, you know, they shot the 3872 and the 4072, so they were longer, and then 30-06. So look at the wood on this thing. It's gorgeous. 27-inch barrel, 28-inch barrel. Nickel steel, especially for smokeless powder. And we got manufactured by the Winchester Repeating Arms Company in New Haven, Connecticut. With all the patent numbers on it. Last patent number is August 607. August 607. So let's see where it's hitting. I'm going to set it up in the sled, put a couple on paper. I'm gonna, through the chronograph, we'll get a foot velocity on it. Piece of 3/8 steel that I hit everything with, just see what's up. And then we've got 3 gallon jugs and 2 5 gallons, and we'll try and get a recovery. So let's set up and do that. 27 7/8 to the back of the breech. Okay. Whoa, buckhorns. Hard to see that front bead. Alright, we should be pretty close. That old box of ammo. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Here's how you load it. Stand it up, slide it back, push it down. Yeah, it's in there. All right. Right on the bullseye, right in the very bottom of the sight. First shot. First shot. Right in the head. Very light trigger. 2 pounds. All right. Go see where it's hitting. Alright. Hi. Alright. So I'll aim at the bottom of the plate. Let's see if we can put it. Let's try and put it between these 2 shots right here on that spot. 1852 foot per second. I didn't read the first one. Man, I always do that. We get to read the first one. Okay, putting it on the plate. I don't think it'll read the chronograph going this low. Alright. That's a hit. Right there. Bam! That's got a dent. Looked like it was keyholing. Huh. Those do too. Let's see if we can get a recovery on a bullet. 1812. I'm gonna want to shoot that from here. Target. Kind of low. That's the first one. Ha! Yep, it's keyholing. I hit sideways. Wow. That is keyholing for sure. Okay. Yeah, look at that shit. Absolutely keyholing. Alright, that is not good. I don't even know what to think about that. Or why that would be happening. That gun looks brand new. Now I'm pissed. Now I'm not happy. Loads would matter, but that's crazy. I have to think about this. Hey. Yep. I hit sideways. Flat. Alright, so what do I think? Well, I think that sucks. Yeah, I'm not happy. You know, I looked down that barrel. I took it apart and looked down, and it looked fine. So I'm not quite sure what to think. We got some foot per second out of it, we got the velocities out of it. But that is a huge problem, keyholing. So I'm not sure what to think. Loads, I just don't know why it would do that. I mean, the gun is brand new. Well, it's 100 and something years old. But it with 100. Let's see. 2012, 110, 11 years old, something like that. And that thing should be straight as an arrow. So, if you have any ideas, I guess leave them in the comment. Let's see if we can get this figured out. Anyways, thanks for watching.